In front of me is LG and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first, just open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon, which is 3 horizontal lines over here and left upper corner, and go to My Apps and Games right here. Now you need to make sure that you are under Updates, so just click on Updates, and you can either update one particular application. It can be for example Google Home. Just tap on Update, right next to its icon, and then the latest version will be downloaded and installed. You can observe the progress right here. Let me open it again. And now it's been installed. And also you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All right here. And as you can see here, it will be done, and meanwhile you can use your device in a normal way. After all, you will find all updated apps under Recently Updated. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.